What are different types of mind maps? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by information while studying? Mind maps can be a game changer, especially for those with Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. They help organize thoughts visually, making it easier to focus and retain information. Let's explore the different types of mind maps and how they can support effective study strategies for individuals with ADHD. First, we have the tree map. This type organizes information in a hierarchical structure. It starts with a main idea at the top and branches down into subcategories. Tree maps are great for outlining chapters in a textbook or breaking down projects into smaller tasks. Next is the flow map. This one illustrates sequences or processes, showing steps in order. It is particularly helpful for understanding cause and effect relationships, like the stages of a scientific experiment or a timeline of historical events. Then we have the dialogue map. This type captures conversations or debates, tracking questions, ideas, and responses. It is useful for group discussions or analyzing literature, helping to visualize different viewpoints. The spider map is another popular option. It starts with a central idea and radiates outward like a spider's legs. This type is excellent for brainstorming and exploring all aspects of a concept in a nonlinear way, making complex ideas easier to manage. Moving on to the multi-flow map, this one shows multiple causes and effects related to a central event or idea. It helps in understanding complex relationships, such as analyzing the impact of a specific policy or event. The bubble map uses circles to describe qualities or attributes of a single idea. The central bubble contains the main topic, surrounded by bubbles that describe it. This is particularly useful for character analysis or defining concepts. Next is the double bubble map, which compares and contrasts two ideas. It places them in separate central bubbles, with shared and unique qualities in surrounding bubbles. This helps clarify similarities and differences, making it useful for comparing theories or characters. The tunnel timeline map represents events in chronological order within a tunnel-like visual. This emphasizes progression over time, helping to visualize historical timelines or project schedules effectively. Circle maps focus on defining or brainstorming around a topic. The idea is placed in the center circle, surrounded by related information. This simple tool is great for gathering knowledge or exploring a subject. Lastly, we have the presentation map. This type organizes information in a way that is easy to present to others. It often combines elements of other mind maps to tell a clear story or argument, making it useful for preparing speeches or reports. For students with ADHD, using mind maps can make study sessions more engaging and less overwhelming. They allow for the addition of colors, drawings, and symbols, which can hold attention better than traditional notes. Mind maps break down complex information into smaller, connected parts, aiding focus and memory retention. Choosing the right type of mind map depends on your goal. Whether you want to brainstorm ideas, compare concepts, understand processes, or prepare presentations, there is a mind map type that fits your needs. With these tools, you can transform chaotic study habits into structured, creative learning sessions that align with how your brain works best.